Hello, beautiful people. Hello, skincare lovers. We just got monetized. Yes, guys, we just got monetized, and thanks to you all. Thanks to you all. I could remember when I was still struggling to get even 1 subscribers. I was thinking, how will I get 1 subscribers? How will I get 4,000 watch hour? But guys, we made it. Yes, mama. We made it, and thank you all. And another thing again, Bikonu, please, if you're watching my video from now, because we just got monetized, please be patient. Do not skip the advert, please. The ads there, the advert, do not skip it. It's not even up to 30 seconds. Just allow the advert to play in peace, because if YouTube is going to be giving me any change, they are going to be giving me the change based on the advert. If you skip my advert, I'm not going to get any change. Bikonu, please. I'm making these videos for you guys, and you guys should still also do me a favor by not skipping my advert. Allow the advert to just play in peace while you yourself, you watch your movie. Not movie, sorry guys. My bad. You watch whatsoever you want to watch on my YouTube channel in one piece. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are welcome. In here, we do all organic, take care of our skin, we do healthy lifestyle, take care of our hair, everything beauty. So guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video, and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will be cool, you know. So guys, I'm going to teach you all how to make this fluffy hair conditioner. It's not just a hair conditioner, it's going to grow your hair. This helps to grow your hair, it helps to soften your hair, it helps to moisturize your hair. So guys, this is the hair conditioner that I just made. I'm going to teach you all how to make this, so I hope you can see better. This is it. This is the hair conditioner that I just made, and this is so great. You can see my hand is full of oils. Yes, because I rubbed it on my hand. So this is going to help to grow your hair. For those of you that is complaining that your hair does not grow, this is a requested video, so I take out my time to make this. This is going to grow your hair, it's going to condition your hair, it's going to soften your hair, and it's going to give it this natural glow, like moisturize. You can see my hands here, guys. So if you want to know how I make this hair conditioner, guys, stay tuned. Let's go and do this ad. But before then, let me show you how it feels on the skin. So that is how it's going to feel on your hair also. So guys, I have this little that I have here, the remaining one. So it's quite much, and you just take it. You see, this is so, you can see this is how it looks. This is so moisturizing, and also you can use it on your skin. It's safe to use on your skin also. You can see how it looks. You just rub it on your hair, not on your weave-on, or you can also do it on your human hair, but this is for our natural hair. So this is for our natural hair. Yeah, this is going to grow your hair. Do this for your kids at home. Do this for your mom at home. Do this for friends. Do this for families. It's cheap. It's not even up to 20 euros that I used to make this hair cream. And it's actually going to grow your hair and soften your hair. You are not going to buy everything from the shop, ma'am. You don't need to buy everything from the shop. Do it yourself. Be a DIY mom. DIY some things for your kids. If you have a daughter, not just a daughter, your son can also have this. If your son is battling from dried hair, stubborn hair, this kind of thick hair, you can also DIY this hair cream for your son. So guys, let's go and do this out. So Bikonu, do not skip my head again. Don't skip my advert again. Allow my advert to play. Catch ya. So guys, we are going to start by spraying our working areas. We are going to spray our bowl. Make sure everywhere is well kept. Prevent your working areas from dust. So we are going to be using flaxseed gel. So guys, flaxseed gel promotes healthy hair growth. It makes them to be stronger and less to damages. So this is what we are going to be using, and you can purchase this from your local supermarkets. So there is no measurement, guys. If you want to sell your products, then you can measure it out. So I'll be using lavender. Lavender promotes shine for dry hair and dull hair. It has anti-inflammatory properties and it eliminates itchiness and dandruff on the scalp. This is dried lavender flower. So we're going to boil this. We're going to boil this with our distilled water. So guys, make sure to use distilled water when making any skincare or hair care products. So we are going to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, the next thing that we are doing, we are going to pour in our wax. And we are also going to be using our stearic acid. And we are going to add in our oils. So in here I have shea butter and coconut oil. Shea butter helps to stimulate egg growth. It helps to moisturize our hair. And also with coconut oil helps to moisturize our hair. It helps to stimulate egg growth and it helps to eliminate dandruff from our scalp. So this is coconut and shea butter. So I still have other oils that I will be adding to this, but first we have to go and dissolve this because we don't want to kill the potency of the other oils which I will be adding to this very oil. So we have to go and do the double boiling method to dissolve our oils and our wax. So guys, we are cooking the flaxseed. So this is how it looks like. You just have to cook for 15 minutes and the water is going to turn to gel. It's going to come jelly. Is it jelly or is going to come jelly? Sorry guys. So we are going to cook for just 15 minutes. So after cooking, we are going to strain our flaxseed gel. So the water is quite thick because it is so jelly. So what you have to do, you have to use your spoon to help to extract the gel. You have to use your spoon so that you can be able to extract as much gel as you can. So after extracting, this is how it looks like. So we are going to be adding our castor oil. Castor oil helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to lock in moisture in our hair. It helps to prevent dandruff, and it helps our hair to grow well. If your hair is not growing, always use castor oil. So I have added my olive oil before, but sorry guys, I don't know that the video was not playing when I added my olive oil. So now we are going to pour in our flaxseed gel into our oil base. So as you pour it in, you use your mixer to mix them together. So you have to mix for 5 to 10 minutes. So it is still very liquid now because the temperature is still very hot. So as soon as the temperature drops down, your hair cream is going to come thick. So we are going to be adding glycerin. Glycerin helps your hair to retain moisture. It adds moisture to your hair when you use glycerin on your hair. So we are also going to add aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to penetrate your hair follicles and conditions, and also improve damaged dry hair. And we give it a good mix. So we are going to add in chamomile chamomile extract. So chamomile extract helps to condition your hair. It helps to treat hair irritation. It helps to treat hair dandruff. And also we are adding our rice protein. Rice protein helps to soften your hair. It helps to treat dandruff. It helps to treat skin irritation. And we are going to add vitamin E oil. So vitamin E is going to help to expand the shelf life of our product, and is also beneficial on our hair. So we are adding lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil promotes shine for dry hair and dull hair. It has these anti-inflammatory properties, and it eliminates dandruff on the scalp. So you give it a good mix. Of course, we have to preserve our products so it can last from 6 months to 1 year. And we mix it together. So now we have to pour in our hair cream into our container. Make sure to pour it into your container when the hair cream is still liquid, because when your hair cream is thick, it is very difficult to pour it into your container. And make sure to wash your container. Make sure to spray your container to prevent any bacteria, to prevent your hair cream to prevent it from getting spoiled on time. So this hair cream is going to soften your hair, it's going to condition it, it's going to moisturize it, and also is going to grow your hair. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you can do this at home for yourself, for your family. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, this video is very beneficial to all women. You can do this for your kids, you can do this for your own self. So give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. So guys, I'm going to see you soon in my other next video.